Canva has become a powerhouse for creators, and if you're looking to make money with it in 2024, you're in the right place. Let's dive into some practical ways you can turn your design skills into cash. First off, consider offering freelance design services. Many businesses need graphics for social media, websites, and marketing materials. You can start by creating a profile on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Showcase your Canva designs in your portfolio. Focus on niches you're passionate about, whether it's creating eye-catching Instagram posts or professional-looking presentations. The key is to market yourself effectively and deliver high-quality work that meets your clients' needs. Next, think about creating and selling digital products. Canva allows you to design templates for everything from resumes to planners. Once you create these templates, you can sell them on platforms like Etsy or your own website. The beauty of this approach is that you can create a product once and sell it multiple times. Just make sure your designs are unique and cater to a specific audience. Research trending designs and see how you can put your spin on them. Another lucrative option is to teach others how to use Canva. If you're skilled at navigating the platform, consider creating online courses or hosting workshops. You can use platforms like Teachable or Skillshare to reach a wider audience. Break down the basics of Canva, share tips and tricks, and guide your students through creating their own designs. This not only establishes you as an expert, but also generates income from course fees. Don't overlook the power of affiliate marketing. Canva has an affiliate program that allows you to earn commissions by promoting their services. If you have a blog or a social media following, you can create content that highlights the benefits of using Canva. Share your own designs and experiences, and include your affiliate links. When your audience signs up for Canva through your link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. Lastly, consider collaborating with influencers or brands. Many companies are looking for creative partners to help them with their visual content. Reach out to influencers in your niche and propose a collaboration where you create graphics for their brand in exchange for payment or exposure. This not only helps you build your portfolio, but also expands your network. In summary, making money with Canva in 2024 is all about leveraging your skills and creativity. Whether you're freelancing, selling digital products, teaching, affiliate marketing, or collaborating, there are plenty of opportunities out there. Stay consistent, keep improving your design skills, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. The more you engage with the community and showcase your work, the more chances you'll have to turn your passion into profit.